Naptime For Parrot. Today is Sessa's birthday. And on my birthday. Bing! Who's that? Hello? This has been as happy birthday. I need your help. I have to get both the records for Are you watching while I'm gone? Sure! Thanks. Nice sushi bear? Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. So that's all I have to do is make him take a nap. But one more thing. As whatever you do, don't let him eat any flowers. Got it. Bye-bye. Okay, so how about some more sushi, bear? What kind, bear? Fish like a mix. No flowers, heard every day, time for the event. Ha ha ha! Do you need a flowers? No flowers, hasani! Darn it! Yummy, yummy. Hehehe. Parrot, no! I'll get you next time. S? Hey, it says my parrot. Catch that one flower. Sorry, I'm trying to stop you. It's okay, right now it's time for your birthday party, yes? I have so much thanks for your work for helping you. And here's your present, a soccer ball. Thank you, man. This is my best birthday ever. The end.